coach. I'm undefeated at this game. Got to go with the playground commons. So you got the short portion left. Go with the mighty monsters. Got some Mets colors. And then for my team, Pablo Sanchez leading off.
Yo primero, yo.
Well, first overall.
Excelente.
GRIFFEY.
You know you want to pick me. Come on. Oh, yeah.
McNeil.
How's it going, buddy?
Some homers.
All right.
Randy Johnson.
Hey there, Shorty. Give me the ball, man. I'm ready to pitch.
Pete Wheeler leading off.
Pick me for
Come on,
your
a little bit.
team. So, whose team am I on?
Hey, can I play on your team?
No, you cannot.
Thanks anyway.
Derek Jeter
Hi
playing
then.
short.
All right.
Two.
Pick me, dude.
Piazza behind the plate.
Let's rock and roll.
Pick me, dude.
Definitely got to have Ahmed Khan.
What?
Well, Mikey
I
Thomas.
like to play
It's
it
bombs as
sport.
well.
Okay, I like playing in the outfield.
Yeah, I love this game. We got Pablo hitting third. Pete Wheeler leading off. Ahmed Khan second. Pablo third. Mark McGwire fourth. Mikey Thomas fifth. Okay, now we're going Piazza. GRIFFEY. Jeter. And Johnson. It's not a bad lineup. So that's a winning team right there.
Ready to have fun, kiddos? Well, I hope so.